Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm just showing you guys how I did this beautiful elegant bun for special occasions or for weddings. You know what, if you're a little extra for any day, so keep watching and see how I achieved this. The last updo, or at least special occasion updo that I updated was this style. If you want to see it, I'll leave it linked down below in the description bar. So for this style, I am starting on stretched hair. I had, I think, a braid out. So I'm just spraying water in it and there's leave-in conditioner in that water. I also added a little bit of oil and then I'm just going to lay this hair down. So I'm going to just hold it with the bun because my hair is actually not short. And then I'll just use the tangle teaser to sort of like brush my hair down. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis gel. You can use whichever gel of your choosing. And I'm using about that amount, and after putting that amount in it, I'm just going to go with the Got to Be Good gel. I mean, that gel is the bomb, honestly. It lays everything. So as you can see, I have some little hairs left on the back because not all of it can go into my little bun, but I'm going to solve that with just taking a bobby pin and just pinning all the hair that is left out of the bun. And then I'm tying my scarf to lay everything. I left it in for I don't know how long, honestly, but until my hair was dry. You want to do the style with your hair dry because we'll be doing a lot of movement on the hair, so make sure it's dry before you start doing the style. I'm using a pack of Marley hair. I try to find the softest texture of Marley hair that I could. Try to find the soft one, don't go with the rough one. As you can see, I just used one pack, folded into half, and then I tied it on my little bun. I took about a quarter of the Marley hair and I'm just wrapping it around my bun. Depending on the size of your head, then you might need to do more, you might need to do less. And then I'm taking as you can see, the little fake bun thing, and I'm putting it just to help me create a circle and to form the bun that you saw at the beginning of the style. And then after that, as you can see, I'm playing with the Marley hair just to make sure that the little bun thing that I added is covered. And then I'm going in with a rubber band and I'm just putting that in to make sure the hair stays in place and it doesn't move as I'm doing the style. You can probably remove the rubber band after you're done, but I did not remove mine. I just left it in. For each section, I'm taking 3 pieces of Marley hair as you saw before, and then I'm just twisting it and then wrapping it around my finger, as you can see. And then after that, I'm just wrapping it around itself to create sort of like a spiral shape. And then you need to decide which side you want them to face, and then after deciding if you want clockwise or counterclockwise, then make sure they all face the same way. And then I'm going in with bobby pins. I'm just putting one in the middle and one sort of like going across the whole thing and adding the little accessories that you saw. You can use any accessories that you like. I think the style looks cuter with accessories, but if you're wearing it on an everyday kind of basis, I wouldn't put any accessories on it. So this is just another example to show you guys how I did that. So I actually lost my footage of like the ending that I had filmed, but what I actually did at the end is I basically laid my edges down again around the perimeter of my head with the Got to Be Glued gel and a toothbrush, and this is the result that I had. As you can see, I also added 3 pins on the big bun, and that was pretty much it, guys. Like, this style is so easy, guys. You just need to practice maybe once or twice and you will get it. I didn't even use a mirror to do this. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you next time. Have a nice week. Bye.